Dear children, for the academic year 2020 and 2021, the blueprint for SSLC, it means for 10th standard of KSEEB board of mathematics given by the board. So there have been made many changes for this year. Two major changes have been done, that is in the application and skill objective. So let us have the analysis of the blueprint given for the academic year 2020 and 2021. So basically the complete blueprint will be based on three levels. The first one is the weightage on cognitive level. So here you can see that for the remembering, he has given 20 percentage of marks. It means for 80 it will be 16. For understanding, he has taken 55 percentage. It means it will carry 44 marks. So just before I have mentioned that the drastic or different thing which has been taken in this blueprint is for two objectives, that is application and skill. So in application, he has considered only 5 percentage. It means the applied questions will be there in your examination paper of 4 marks. So mostly, since the duration is less and the content is more, so most probably he has avoided the application part. When it comes to the skill part, he has taken the 20 percentage and the total marks carrying is 16 marks. So there are the units which carry the skill is the pair of linear equation 2 variable where 4 marks questions is there for compulsory finding the solutions of by graphical method. And whereas when it comes to statistics, there we are having OG graph which will carry 3 marks. So again in the construction, the rest of the questions may be asked completely in the construction. So there are the division of given line in a given ratio and construction of a similar triangle and construction of a tangent to the circle. So many of the questions can be asked for the construction since the marks has been increased. So it was about all about the cognitive level. So next level is about difficulty level. So in difficulty level, so it has three criteria, that is easy, average and difficult. So for easy he has considered 40 percentage, it means it carries 32 marks. For average he has considered 50 percentage, it means it carries 40 marks. And for difficulty level, just he has considered 10 marks. Among that he will carry 4 marks for application most probably. So here we can analyze that only 8 marks difficult questions will be there for this academic year. So the last theme or the weightage of marks, that is on theme based. So here the different units have been divided on the theme based. The first is algebra. In that algebra you will have three units, that is pair of linear equation in two variable, arithmetic progression and quadratic equation. So completely you will have 26 marks on these three units. Here we can't guess that how much marks can be asked for each of the unit, but it depends upon the one who is taking the or making the question paper. So among all the three units you can have 26 marks. Next theme is trigonometry. In this theme you will have two units, that is introduction to trigonometry and applications of some applications of trigonometry, where you will have totally 11 marks. Then coordinate geometry, the third theme is coordinate geometry, and the unit is only one unit is there, that is coordinate geometry. So complete whole and soul you will have complete 7 marks on this unit, you can easily say. But whereas for the theme 2 and theme 1, we can't guess that how much marks of each unit is carrying. Then the fourth unit theme, that is statistics. Again it has only one unit, that is statistics, it will carries 7 marks. The next theme is geometry. It will carry 3 units. That is triangles, circles, and construction, which totally carries 19 marks. So you can't guess that each unit is how much marks. So here we can say that for construction, since he has included more number of questions, why? Because we have just turned see that carries 16 marks. So the most questions can be asked in the construction. Then the last unit, that is mensuration, that is surface areas and volumes. So here only one theme is there and only one unit is present in that, and it carries totally 10 marks. So this is how this year, for specifically this year, the blueprint has been given by the KSEEB board.